AI Smart Safeguards Gate, Air Signature Purium. Purium protects your building from microdust, contaminants, and viruses with a smart disinfection gate for exit and entry. Purium has two modes. The AI disinfection mode monitors your indoor air 24 hours a day with 5 different disinfecting functions: antibacterial, sterilization, cleaning, dust collection, and deodorization. And the disinfection gate mode showers and eliminates contaminants on people or items entering your building with the Cyclone Turbo air shot. Purium's core technology keeps your indoor air clean and safe from ultrafine dust and harmful contaminants such as bacteria or viruses. At the top of the Purium, the Cyclone Turbo air shot forms a windshield by discharging a soft but powerful wind.